If you're preparing for Microsoft Certified Azure Network Engineer Associate, AZ-700, understand this clearly. This certification is not just about creating a virtual network or configuring a few networking resources in Azure. AZ-700 evaluates whether you can design, implement, and manage secure and reliable network architectures for real enterprise environments running on Microsoft Azure. In this video, we're not reviewing basic definitions. We'll walk through 5 realistic, exam-level scenarios that test network architecture decisions, connectivity strategies, and security implementation, the exact skills required to earn the Azure Network Engineer Associate certification. Let's begin with Scenario 1. Question No. 1. A company hosts multiple applications in Azure Virtual Networks. The security team wants to restrict traffic between subnets while allowing specific application ports to remain accessible. What is the most appropriate solution? Option A. Implement Azure Firewall for subnet-level filtering only. Option B. Configure network security groups, NSGs, with inbound and outbound rules on the subnets. Option C. Deploy Azure Application Gateway. Option D. Use Azure Front Door for internal network segmentation. Question No. 2. An organization needs to securely connect its on-premises network to Azure with high bandwidth and low latency for mission-critical workloads. What connectivity solution should be implemented? Option A. Azure VPN Gateway using site-to-site VPN. Option B. Azure Bastion for secure remote access. Option C. Azure Virtual WAN with basic configuration. Option D. Azure Express Route private peering. Question No. 3. A development team deploys several virtual machines in a subnet and wants to distribute incoming HTTP traffic evenly across them. The solution must operate at Layer 4. Which Azure service should be used? Option A. Azure Load Balancer. Option B. Azure Front Door. Option C. Azure Application Gateway. Option D. Azure Traffic Manager. Option A is correct because Azure Load Balancer operates at Layer 4, TCP, UDP, and distributes traffic across backend resources within a region. It is ideal for high-performance and scalable traffic distribution across virtual machines. Question No. 4. An organization wants to allow secure remote access to Azure virtual machines without exposing RDP or SSH ports to the Internet. What service should be implemented? Option A. Azure VPN Gateway with point-to-site configuration only. Option B. Network security groups blocking inbound Internet traffic. Option C. Azure Bastion service deployed within the virtual network. Option D. Azure Application Gateway with Web Application Firewall. Option C is correct because Azure Bastion enables secure RDP and SSH connectivity directly through the Azure portal without exposing public IP addresses or opening inbound ports. Question No. 5. A company needs to route traffic between multiple Azure regions and automatically direct users to the closest available endpoint based on geographic location. Which Azure service should be used? Option A. Azure Load Balancer. Option B. Azure Traffic Manager. Option C. Azure Application Gateway. Option D. Azure VPN Gateway. Option B is correct because Azure Traffic Manager uses DNS-based routing to direct user traffic to the most appropriate endpoint based on routing methods such as geographic, priority, or performance routing. For complete exam preparation, visit p2pexams.com, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.